Lifestraw offers a brilliant glass pitcher that removes E. coli and microplastics from water. However, independent tests show it struggles to remove heavy metals like uranium and may add VOCs to the water. So, is it worth it? In this video, we'll evaluate the pitcher based on contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of setup and maintenance to see if it's worth the money. So, without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with contaminant removal. The Lifestraw Glass Pitcher features a two-stage filter and is certified against NSF standards 42, 53, and 401 to remove chlorine, lead, and microplastics. First, a membrane microfilter with tiny 0.2 micron pores captures dirt and germs. Next, activated carbon and ion exchange resin work together to reduce chlorine, PFAS, and other nasty stuff. However, independent tests have shown that it struggles to remove heavy metals like uranium and selenium, though the manufacturer does not claim it can. The tests also found VOCs like methylene chloride added in filtered water. Interestingly, the pitcher passed the E. coli test but failed the coliform test, raising some questions about its effectiveness. Moving ahead, let's talk about water flow rate and design. The Lifestraw pitcher offers a water flow rate of 0.95 cups per minute. Its drip is too slow, and refilling can be tedious. However, as the reservoir is small, you do need to refill it multiple times. You have two different sizes to choose from, a 7-cup or a 10-cup. Additionally, you can personalize your purchase by choosing from 5 different color options. It's made from hand-blown borosilicate glass and a sturdy silicone base, making it more secure than its plastic counterpart. However, it is bottom-heavy with high handle, which makes pouring difficult. The center compartment is not transparent, making it hard to see when the water reaches the top, so you must watch carefully to avoid overflows. With that, let's focus on its ease of setup and maintenance. To set up the Lifestraw pitcher, first, rinse the filter housing and wash the pitcher. Next, remove the cap from the filter housing and install the activated carbon and ion exchange filter. Then, place the housing back into the pitcher, making sure the spouts are aligned properly. Now, fill the pitcher to the top, wait for the water to filter through, and discard that first batch. And that's it, you're good to go. Maintaining the Lifestraw water pitcher comes down to 2 filter cartridges. The membrane filter needs to be replaced every 264 gallons or once a year, while the carbon and ion filter should be replaced every 40 gallons or every 2 months. Changing the filter is easy. Just follow the same steps you did to install the initial filter and refer to the manuals for any additional guidance. The filter replacement costs $76 annually, which keeps the overall maintenance cost reasonable. It's recommended to clean the Lifestraw home pitcher once a week with soapy water to maintain its freshness and performance. Just be careful not to let soap enter the filter itself. When storing it, ensure the filter stays dry and reassemble the housing to allow airflow, which prevents condensation buildup. Let's move ahead with customer support and warranty. Lifestraw seems to have mediocre customer service. You can only reach out to them through the email, and their response may not be quick. It provides a 3-year warranty for items with flaws in materials or craftsmanship. However, this 3-year limited warranty does not apply to the Lifestraw carbon filters, which are covered by a separate 60-day limited warranty. To wrap things up, here's our key takeaway. If you want a decent glass pitcher to remove chlorine and microplastics in city water, Lifestraw is ideal. But if you want better filtration and more ease of use, you can look for other options like the clearly filtered pitcher, which we have compared here, so check that out now.